Hello! Let's draw and learn some 2D shapes and colors. Black color. It's a dark black color. Let's draw. A square. We are drawing a square. A square has 4 sides. A square. Circle. We are drawing circle. Circle. Triangle. We are drawing triangle. Triangle. Star. Star. Heart. It's a good heart. We are drawing heart. It's a heart. Pentagon. We are drawing pentagon. It's called pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. Pentagon. Let's learn some colors. Orange color, blue color, yellow green color, red color, sky blue color, forest green color, yellow color, pink color, purple color, Indian blue color, Indian blue color, forest green color, forest green color, black color, black color, Persian blue color, Persian blue color, light violet color, light violet color, turquoise blue color, turquoise blue color. Let's learn 2D shapes. A square, circle, triangle, star, heart, pentagon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.